Guys, let's take a look at understanding converting number lines to interval notation. Put negative infinity over here. Now, because I'm writing in here, it doesn't mean it's actually present here. It just means I'm writing in here. And then I put this, so that means I'm pointing towards, I'm going towards negative infinity. Then I have a hole, and there I'm going to put A. Whatever A happens to be in your case, I'll continue, I'll put another hole, B, so whatever B may be in your case, and then continue, and then positive infinity. That doesn't mean positive infinity is there, it just means that I'm going towards positive infinity. This symbol right here, this is a concept, it's not a number. So when you write down the interval notation, this symbol always gets converted, so it has a parenthesis next to it. In other words, it's a concept, it's not a number, it's never included. So for that reason, let me start writing the interval notation down. You're going to get negative infinity with a parenthesis, not a bracket next to it. Bracket says you've reached negative infinity, not allowed, not possible really. There's a deeper issue, right? It's just not possible. Then you come and you go this way. Eventually you hit the A on this side. So you put the A, comma, A. Now the A itself is excluded, so that gets a parenthesis, not a bracket. Now you need to indicate that you're hopping over to the other side somehow. So you do that with the U for union, because that means resume on the other side and attach this interval. So splice them together, add them together if you like. Here, notice on this side, it's still parentheses A. So you should not have something like this likely, in this case at least, where you have this. Like that. Not accurate? This is excluded on the left and on the right. So here it's two parentheses with a union. Then you continue the process. So then you resume, you go over here, you hit the B on this side. So you put A comma B. Now the B is excluded, it's got a hole. So parentheses, again, you're gonna have to hop over it, resume on the other side here of the hole. So you get to splice the intervals together, put them together. So you put the U, another parentheses here, put the B down again. Go over to positive infinity, it's a comma, and then positive infinity, terminate with a matching infinity symbol in parentheses. So that's that. Okay, let me zoom out here. I hope this is helpful to you. Leave a like.